Hi friends, my name is Miss Erin and I am a children's librarian at the Northwest branch of the Seminole County Public Library. And today I'd like to read another book to you. I'm reading this with permission from Macmillan Books. And it is called Early Bird. And it is written and illustrated by Toni, Yuly. Let's find out what happens to our early bird. Early bird likes to wake up early. That makes sense. She stands as tall as she can. Can you stretch your arms up in the air and be very, very tall? Takes a deep breath of fresh morning air. Let's take a deep breath together, shall we? Let's breathe in. Ready? And breathe out. Very good. And then early bird gets going. I see the sun peeking out. Across the grass. Through the flower bed. Under the spider web. Up the path, around the corner, and over the cat. Finally, early bird reaches the garden, where she finds, she's going to find something, friends. The early worm. Early bird is hungry after her long journey. Oh, what do you think she's going to do to the early worm? So she lays the early worm on top of a big, fat, juicy strawberry. And together, they share an early breakfast. I hope you enjoyed that book as much as I enjoyed reading it to you. And until next time, I will see you soon.